Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's your girl Karen. If you're new here, you are so welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these beautiful knotless jumbo braids. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started. So I'm going to start by moisturizing and oiling my hair. So for my leave-in, I'm going to be using Anjaki's Quench. So after working that in, I'm gonna go in with Vero's hair recovery cream. And then lastly, to seal all of that in, I'm gonna be using Vero's Chebe butter. And I am going to be concentrating on the ends of my hair because, you know, the ends need it more than the roots do. So I'm just gonna work from the bottom, work my way up. So I use, for those who've used Brazilian wool before, you notice that they're already like sectioned. So I'm using 4 of those, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm using six pieces of those 4 equal parts. Okay. So in order to start my knotless braid, this is not the first time I've done a tutorial on how to do knotless braids on your own hair, but I find holding my hair this way is more comfortable for me. But you just go ahead and hold your hair in whichever position makes you feel comfortable. So I've gone ahead and divided my hair into 3. And I'm just gonna start by braiding once. I hope then I'm gonna grab my piece of wool and I'm just gonna add that. I hope you guys can see, but if you cannot see, then I would advise you go and you check out my more detailed video on how to do knotless box braids. So I'm just gonna keep on adding. So when I reach the end, I just get a piece of the cotton and I just tie that around just to secure the end. Now I'm just gonna show you guys with the last one. Okay, so for the ends, this is how I'm gonna finish them up. I have a candle here with me. Just gonna set it down. Gonna grab a scissors and I'm just gonna cut off all the excess wool like that. I'm gonna dip my hands in water just so that I don't burn. Then burn off the ends. Then just move them out. Then it's a great idea to also just let the braid like pass through this. And what that does is it kind of burns out all those little stray wool, giving it a more a smooth finish. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna show you guys 2 more times. And the last step is to oil my scalp and then set it with hair mousse. So to oil my scalp, I'm gonna be using the hair growth oil. I love this oil. I've been seeing great results this far, so I'm gonna continue using it. Then after this, I'm just gonna use the ORS hair mousse to set my hair. So if you notice, my hair is really loose. I chose to make my braids big and loose because I'm just keeping this hair in for 2 weeks and then I'm going to
take it out and deep condition my hair. Ever since I dyed my hair, I've made it a mission to make sure that I deep condition at least once every 2 weeks, but the main aim is to deep condition every week. So yeah, that's why my hair or my braids look loose, but if you want to make them smaller or tighter, it's up to you. Please do you, boo boo. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna show you guys what the final look looks like, and thank you so much for reaching this far. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.